In this video, 3 presenters share the explanation about the judgment test. This is supported with imagery, graphics and text.
Hello. As a civil service judgment test is often one of the first steps in our recruitment process, we want you to understand exactly how it works. And as the name suggests, it is a test, so it's really important you focus on your answers and take it seriously.
The outcome of your test will determine whether you progress to the next stage of the recruitment process. You will only have one chance to take the test, so in this video we're going to show you an example of it and provide you with some preparation tips from previous test takers. We hope this information will then help you to feel fully prepared for taking the real judgment test.
You'll be assessed on your ability to show good judgment and make effective decisions in relation to your behaviours at the grade or level of the job you have applied for, rather than specific requirements of the particular job. So don't think too much about the job itself as you go on to complete the test. So what does the test look like?
There are 2 main parts to the test. In the first part, you'll be asked to rate a series of statements. These statements reflect preferences and work behaviours. An example of such a statement might be, I adapt to change quicker than other people. What you need to do is provide a response showing how much you agree or disagree with each statement.
In the second part, you're presented with a series of scenarios. In each scenario, there is an issue or problem of some kind. Some of the scenarios may be in written form, whilst others may be presented to you as a video clip you need to watch. You're then given 4 possible actions that someone could take to respond to or deal with the situation that is presented in the scenario. You will need to decide whether the action is either effective, slightly effective, ineffective, or counterproductive. You should note that more than one action could be either effective or ineffective. It's your job to decide.
Here are tips from some previous test takers. Take the practice test to see how it works, then reflect and plan for when you want to take the real test. Take the test somewhere quiet with no distractions. Pay close attention to the test instructions so you know what to expect. Try your best to feel confident and relaxed when you take the actual test. Be yourself and answer as you feel. Don't try to second guess what the right answer is if it's different to how you feel. The test is not timed, so you have a real chance to think about how to respond. If you feel you might need some extra support before taking the test, please get in touch with the contact in the job advert or use the help needed options within the online job platform.
We want you to be reassured that the test was put together by and trialled on a wide range of people who represent the diversity of the United Kingdom. So you're as likely to do just as well in the test as anyone else, whatever your personal background.
Finally, remember that your performance on these tests is not fixed. People do change, and so it is possible to do better next time.
Because, however well you do, at the end of the day, tests like this can provide the spur for you to learn, to grow your skills, and ultimately to get the jobs that match your true potential. To find out more, a good place to start will be civil-service-careers.gov.uk, where you'll find lots of useful information and links to help you plan for taking one of the civil service online tests. Thank you for watching.